Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can use an if statement with an and statement to get a result that you require. In this top example, I've got a column that says letter type. I want that to say letter to MD if the account type in column B is a letter A and the amount due is over 2,000. If that's true, it wants to say letter to MD. If it's false, it wants to say standard letter. So let's type that out. So first of all, equals if, open the bracket on the if. Now instead of doing one condition, when you add the and function, you can have multiple conditions. So a normal if statement just has one test, one condition, but now I'm going to put and in there, open the bracket on the and now you see there on the help logical value, etc, etc. So I can have multiple conditions. So the first test is that cell A? So if that equals A, and I need to put A in quotes because it's text, comma, and this cell is greater than 2,000. Now that's the two tests I want. I only want two. So that's the and. I can close the bracket on the and. Now I need to do a comma for the if to put whatever it is for true. So if that's true, I want letter to MD in quotes, comma, if it's false, in quotes, standard letter. Close quotes, close bracket, check the formula. So we've got the open bracket on the if, open bracket on the and, commas between each of the conditions, comma after the close bracket, and then everything's in quotes. Looks okay. Click the tick. Then you get the standard letter, and then you can double click that down, and that one, letter A, more than 2,000, so letter to MD. So that's one example of an if with an and function. Now this example, I want this to give 15% discount if they are a new customer and they have an offer set to yes. So there's two conditions. So this one is going to be equals if, open the bracket, and open the bracket. So the test is, does that say yes? Equals yes, comma, and does that say yes? Equals, open the quotes, yes, close the and. If that's true, if both of those are true, take 15% off that. So that cell times 0.15 will do that, comma, otherwise nothing, and then close the bracket. Check the formula, bracket, comma, yeah, looks okay, click the tick. So it's worked that out, and that's the total owed, and then you can just double click that down and it gives you the correct amount. There's just a sum in there that's taking one from the other. So that's just a very quick video of how to use the if statement with an and function to get more than one condition in your formula. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.